What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about the dilution ratio. Lots of question, people don't understand how to do it. So of course you can go on the internet and download a picture with dilution ratio, or you can buy a bottle. um, there on the side will be dilution ratio, but it's actually very easy to do it by yourself. You don't need a calculator. You can do it in your head. It's actually very easy. And just because I like to use chemicals which I can dilute, I don't like to use the straight chemicals like this super clean. I only use this one, and I always dilute 4 to 1. It's 4-part water, 1 part of super clean. If I use chemical guys nonsense, I also dilute. So I only use chemicals which I can dilute and they really work for me. Like super clean, you can buy a gallon for about $12, something like that. So if you calculate, if you dilute 1 gallon 4 to 1, it's you're gonna make 5 gallons of it. So if $12 a gallon, you divide it by 5, it's about $2.50 per gallon. It's really cheap. It's dirt cheap. So, and how the dilution ratio works, let's say you need to dilute 4 to 1, or 5 to 1, or 6 to 1. That's mean this is water and this is product. So what are you doing? 4 to 1, you're doing 4 plus 1 equal 5. So, and depends what kind of bottle you have. If it's let's say it's 32 ounces, so 32 you divide it by 5. And basically I'm not using the calculator. I always do it in my head, approximate. It's not something like that that is supposed to be diluted by exact. So if I divide 32 by 5, it's gonna be approximately 6 6.2 or 6.3, something like that. So basically you take 32 ounces bottle minus 6, you put 26 ounces in your bottle and 6 ounces of the product. That's how it works. Another way, if you are using the same bottle for the same chemical all the time, you can, and it's don't have nothing like my bottle, it's just a clear bottle, so you can measure it like I did. This is the 26 ounces of water. So I always put water first and then the product. So this is gonna be 26 ounces. If I add 6 more ounces of the product, it's gonna be up to here. So basically it's a full bottle. It's really easy for me, so I don't have to measure it all the time, the water and the chemicals. I just pour water up to this line, and then the rest is a chemical, and then you shake it a little bit and it's ready. Another thing, I use the tape here. I put a tape and I write on the tape what kind of chemicals is it. So in the future, if you decide you're gonna use this bottle for something else, you can always take out this tape, and you can put a new tape and write other stuff, whatever chemicals is gonna be there. If you're gonna write on a bottle, it's gonna be really hard to remove it, and it's gonna be always confusing what kind of chemicals is there. So I guess it's not really hard to get it. Of course, you can download the picture with dilution ratio for 16 ounce, 32, 1 gallon, 5 gallon. It's basically up to you, but all the time you have to dig in your phone, look for the picture to see what's the dilution ratio. I think this is really easy. Basically, you can calculate in a couple seconds in your head, because it's not supposed to be 100% accurate. It's supposed to be approximate. So this is it. Thank you. Please subscribe.